Alright, welcome back, Beardies. What is up? I hope everyone's had an excellent week. I know I've had a pretty decent week. So, on today's episode on the Frankenbike here, as everyone knows, we had a fuel leak, but we got a new petcock ordered, we got fuel lines ordered, fuel filter, all of that's new, wiring's all hooked up, taped away, tucked away. Today we're going to be replacing the chain. We're going to put a new chain on there, new front sprocket, got our little extender thingy-majiggies, and we got a rear sprocket. So, and on top of it, we're going to do the oil change on it today too. So, we're going to knock this shit out. We're going to do the oil change first. And then after that, we'll do, well, while the oil's draining, I'm going to take the side case off so then we can change that front sprocket. I'm going to get the back tire removed so then I can take that sprocket off. So, let's get to it. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, I'd gather some kills up here. And I got what I need. Yeah, I think myself there too. I'm not hard to get too hot. Take it off. Yeah, this is a little dirty. Damn fly. Damn fly. Don't bother me. Yep, if everything goes good today with this, I'm gonna end up taking it out to Perry Lake probably today or tomorrow and go have some fun. Grab my extra tools here. That. Shit. Hot psych. That is out. Careful, Bubba, so you don't fall. And tomorrow is my birthday, the 15th of November. That's the old third quarter. Old third. Step kids are going to your ass this week, so she's being the old lady. And our little man. So honestly, I think we're just going to sit back and chill. We're going to have a barbecue tomorrow. For my birthday, got some families and friends. I'm going to stop Fireball because everybody's going to love Fireball. Oh my god, you guys are crazy! Hey, honey, can you grab me a 10, please?
And the fat ends? The fat ends?
Fat ends? No. There's that. Master link. Damn screwdriver. Sweet. I gotta remember how. Actually, give me a 10 in the bigger ones, please. I'm sorry.
You just make up your damn mind.
I've been ordering stuff for this bike, and this is a 13 tooth. What did I say this one just was?
15.
15, so this is 13. So if anybody was wondering. Come on. Get your ass on there. What the? And now we shall remove the back tire. Oh, I need this one.
Trailer is unhooked, so I'm gonna go do that real quick.
Okay. You want to give me, say, a 17? The ratchet, the big one.
I'll set this one up.
Where's your phone? Alright, let me get this off and then I'll pause the video. Alright, guys. There we go. Woo! Oh, we're slowing down. Calm down there, Brody. So looped her up pretty good there, guys. Uh-huh. Making sure my shit was gonna be properly lubed. So I didn't have to worry about it. Alright, rear tire is off. I'm going to take a quick break, wash my hands up real quick. I got to take a little errand with the old lady real fast, and I will be back. Alright. I was going to go with the old lady. She just had to go pick up her mother's medicine and stuff for her mom, so I just said, screw it, and stayed home, let her deal with that. I'll stay here. We can put this new sprocket on, y'all. Dang, dude, this thing's about to rip. Probably not really, I don't know. It runs pretty good. Let's see, I don't remember, I believe in my calculations that was a 13. And looky there. In my smart calculations, I was correct. Maybe if I do it fast enough with the impact, shouldn't even have to take those. Shouldn't even have to use that wrench. Just bam, bam. Three of them came undone. Oh, there we go. Looky. And this is a 35 tooth sprocket. In case anybody was wondering. I don't even know what this one here was. This was a 41 tooth. Oh man, what? Dang, what a bummer, dude. Can't even use the new bolts. Probably because this damn wheel ain't even the right one. Plus it's half busted off anyway. That's the next thing I'm gonna have to do is order rims and tires. Tires are half-ass bald on it anyway. You know what? As long as it, I'm gonna take it, go out, have some fun. As long as it rips, it's all that matters. But I'm hoping. Damn, did we lose one? There it is. Found it. Sorry for the glare, if there is a glare on here at all for you guys. Yep, so that'll be the next step after all this is done, is order new rims and tires for it. Rims and tires, I still got a new clutch cable that I gotta get put on. I haven't even done that yet. Farting around sometimes. There you go. Bam! Perfect. Perfect! Amazon hooked me up, brother. Damn, we got all kinds of master links in here too. I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut this one down or not. Alright guys, I was just waiting for the old lady to get home. Now that she is home, yeah, I can have her give me a hand here. Oh look, she done ran off again. See, I tell her I need help and then she runs away. Oh, you got it, babe. Hey, not that. Hey guys.
I'm leaving that in there.
Shut up. Grab that long. Just grab it. There's something else to grab here in a minute. Oh, daddy.
It's my kind of rod.
Stick it in the hole.
That's your job.
Go on. Hold on a second. Hold on, we go. We try to get to the hole. Calm down. Fuck on that brakes. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Hold up. Son of a mother truck. Oh God, there she goes! Oh yeah! Whoa, I was getting really freaking mad there for a second, boys. Sheesh. Boy, ain't nothing gets me madder than damn back wheels. Fucking rotors with these things. I swear.
Swear, man, I swear.
Oh yeah, let's. Yeah. Come here. Put the people on there. That is good. A-okay. Sheesh kebab, boys. Ugh. So close, but I'm so not. It's okay. We're almost there. Now the only thing we gotta do is now we gotta do the chain. Anyways, the bike is looking. Oh yeah, I forgot. So if anybody remembers, I had this tag on my Tudio. I took it and mounted it on this just because it's gas. It's a little bit faster. Honestly, this and the Tudio is almost about the same speed, to be honest with you guys. Like almost, because I believe this here will do about 50, 55. I think after a while you. Oops. Oh. Found it. I thought it went flying. It sounded like it went flying away. Pew! So, now I got that taken off. Now, we'll see. I guess we'll just line this up with the old one. So, I just said the hell with it, and I picked this motor up off of Facebook Marketplace for like $100. Wasn't bad. it ran. I just had to order a new wiring harness and a new wiring harness. I replaced the coil back, CDI box. So it's got a bunch of stuff that's new on here. So I need to take it off right here. Hey honey, come here. There we are. Alright. Take this part off. Ouch. Damn flathead again.
I need me flathead, mate.
Ouch. Alright, you mother trucker. It's always gotta be an ass. Man, always. I hate these damn clips. Little pliers. Alright, guys. I thought I took enough out. I guess not. So I gotta take out one, just a tiny slab. Put your finger here because I need this one. That one right there. Set it down. Now, I think we are A-okay now to put this on. And I guess if I need to take more out, I'm not even going to take any more out. I'm just going to loosen the back tire up some and bring it back. See if that helps. Bring her back a little bit, but hey, should be all right. Look at that. Yes, sir.
We lost the ending, just like a 125cc loses bolts. See you in part 7. Peace.